Hey everyone, Josh here with Fresh Start Customs, and today on Glowforge to the Point series, I've got a one-stop shop that you guys can stop at, learn all about the must-have and recommended tools for your Glowforge. Um, I have a much more in-depth video of this. I'll put that video link below, but if you want access to it, you can just go to our YouTube channel, and then it's under the popular uploads. You can click there, or it's on the new Glowforge user guide, and you can click full playlist, and it'll be on the second video there, and it'll look something like this right here. So that is a lot more in depth about the items, but I wanted to make a quick, short, to the point video of where you can get access to all of these items all at once, and you can learn about them by hovering in the top right corner. I made very short, simple bullet points here on what they're used for. And this is going to be laying the foundation for some future videos to learn about your tools for your laser and terms for your laser. So for example, the next video is probably going to be on our #1 must-have item, which is a digital caliper. This is going to be used for the term kerf, and kerf is basically the amount of material that gets evaporated by the laser. We're going to go more in depth on that in the next video on how that can affect your laser designs, especially if you're doing 3D designs. So keep an eye out on that. I just wanted to make a real quick resource and lay down the foundation for future videos so you know where to get these tools that we talk about in future videos and different terms that's in the laser community that you may not know of and what they're about. So feel free to scroll through this shop here that I made for you guys. This is an affiliate shop, so you would be supporting the channel if you purchase it here directly. Otherwise, if you want to use it just as a guide to learn about some recommended laser tools, then definitely do that, and you can purchase it on your own on Amazon as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. We're just laying the foundation for the next video and some future videos, because you will see some of these items in the future videos, because you are going to want to use these with your laser, especially these first 4 here, so get to learn those. And that's pretty much it. We'll catch you guys in the next video, and I hope you enjoyed.